How to add friends on Clash Royale by username. If you want to add friends in Clash Royale using their username, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. Now you have to tap onto the social tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you manage your friends and clan members. Then tap on show. Clash Royale doesn't have a direct username search, but you can find a player through their phone tags. Ask your friend to share their player tag from their profile. Then you can go to your social tab, then tap on search and enter the player tag and tap on search. Once the profile appears, you can tap add friend to send them a friend request. Once your friend accepts the request, they will be added to your friends list and you can challenge them to battle anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends in Clash Royale using their player tag.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.